migrate your CRM from any platform to the Gohighlevel. And we are not just talking about the CRM, let's say a simple funnels or whatever, from any of the platform, the ClickFunnels, Zoho, HubSpot, Salesforce, you name it. And it's very, very easy, no catch, without any tech stress, without hiring any of the freelancers, no data loss, done for you, migration. And why you should listen to me, first of all, I have been associated or linked with the Gohighlevel, using the Gohighlevel, independent affiliate of them from the past 5 years. I've interviewed the CEO and the co-founder, the biggest shareholder, Sean Clark. It's on my YouTube channel, you can watch. Interviewed the second co-founder, the Varun Veravan, a detailed 1 hour interview about the high level and the future. Interviews their spokesperson, Chase Buckner. It's all on my YouTube. So I helped dozens of agencies migrate and scale to the Gohighlevel. So guys, there is no catch to it. It's very, very easy. How do you do that? Let me just, before I present to you the other slides, like the problem that people face while migrating and stuff, let me just quickly disclose to you right away. What do you have to do? Just go to the browser, type in gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, and you will find this special page where you are getting 30-day free trial. Gohighlevel has created this special page for me. So as you can see, any friend of Abdullah is our friend because I'm their premium affiliate. So all you have to do is just start your 30-day free trial. Instead of 14-day, you're getting 30-day free trial. Click extend free trial, enter your details. Step 2, enter your card details. And that's it. This is the only requisite. And we have the expert, migration expert, personally working with me. Of course, I pay a huge amount of money per migration, but all the cost I am going to bear. There will be initial loss that I'm taking a hit on, but there is my personal goal for onboarding as many people as an affiliate. I need to go to the leaderboard, so I really need to help people out and give a no-brainer offer so that they sign up using my link. That's the catch, guys. As you can see, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. So again, coming back to the problem most people face, migrating from the old CRM is painful. Freelancers charge like thousands of dollars, weeks lost in figuring out automation, tax workflows, high risk of data loss or broken systems. All of that pain is gone. Solution will be fast, secure, zero die time, free with your Gohighlevel signer. So basically you're signing up for free trial. It's not that you're paying money or any risk involved or any kind of a thing, but migration would be smooth. And of course, it's a super expert who's going to do it for you. The platform we cover: Keap, ClickFunnels, HubSpot, Salesforce, ActiveCampaign, Zoho, Mailchimp, and many others. You name any of the platform and we'll do it for you. So why Gohighlevel? It replaces 20 plus tools, save thousands of dollars per plus month. Like you have the AI agents, chatbot, AI voice agent, reputation management, automation, funnels, CRM, scheduling. By far Gohighlevel is a winner amongst all other tools. I have been on internet from quite a while, so I know it. And guys, you would have seen all the big players, Billie Jean, Frank, and everybody jumping into Gohighlevel. It's a no-brainer, the super offer. Some of the people, there is no video for this, for the migration, but I do have a video testimonial for the helping out the people in different ways who have signed up using my link. People switch from HubSpot, people switch from other places, any place you name it, to Gohighlevel. And entire migration will be stress-free. Your onboarding will be stress-free. Your focus will be to find the Gohighlevel customers from there onwards. Focus on your business. Let us handle all the tech completely free and in a really professional way. How it works: just sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link of gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. As I showed you the page that you will find, there's a special page, and sign up, enter your card details, and that's it. Right after that, just email me at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp us directly here, +971-588. This is my Dubai number. And I'll create a WhatsApp group between you, me, and my migration expert, and he will take over, until your entire migration is done, as promised. Now, why it's risk-free? It's a no migration fee that you need to pay. It's 30-day free trial, guys. So you can cancel anytime. So basically, that's why it's risk-free, nothing to lose. Now, bonus perk, I'm even adding along with that 127 niche snapshot, which is like tens of thousands of dollars plus value. If you actually go out and see the values of the snapshot, it's like I have a special set which I'm going to give it to you. And if you, in case you need the AI chatbot and one-to-one onboarding, and I'll give you access to my private mastermind WhatsApp group. Final call to action, guys. Make it quick and easy. Start your Gohighlevel journey. Sign up gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, and either email us here or WhatsApp us here. Right away, we'll begin your migration, stress-free migration, so that your focus is to right away utilize this amazing Gohighlevel system, and you are in secure hands to proceed with your real thing that you need to focus on. We'll do your entire migration. Gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. Sign up. See you guys on my email and on my WhatsApp.